In this example, we'll look at how we can add shapes to an image. I'm going to open up a particular asset, in this case the dragonfly image. Initially, I'm going to change the foreground colour and then right-click in the Tool menu. I'm given a variety of different shapes. I simply click and drag a particular shape, and using the Move tool I can move it around my image. It's been placed on a different layer to my background. I can delete this at any point if I'm unhappy with it by right-clicking the layer and pressing Delete Layer. The Pencil tool acts in a similar way. I'm going to change my foreground colour and then select the Pencil tool. I can change the size of the pencil, and I can simply draw a pencil line. And this is the same for the Brush tool. I can select the Brush tool from the menu. In this case, I might change the colour. And again, I can change the size and the style of the brush, and I can draw. I can remove content using the Eraser tool. Again, I can change the size, and I can simply take out particular parts of the image. Now this image will change that to the white background colour that I've chosen. Opening a file with a transparent background and using the Eraser tool will show the transparent background of that particular image. Undoing these changes, I can look at manipulating the gradient. I'm going to change the foreground colour to black. And from the Layer, New Fill Layer, Gradient menu, I'm going to choose a new layer and I'm going to manipulate my gradient. In this particular example, I'm going to look at going from black to transparent. There's a variety of changes I can make, including changing the angle of which it is applied to, or even the style. In this case, I'm going to have a reverse diamond, and I can move it around to a position that I feel works appropriately, and I can change the scale to increase or decrease the percentage coming in. And when I'm happy, I can press OK to see my gradient.